ClickFunnels versus Unbounce. Which one is the best landing page software? That's the burning question you've been searching for, and I'm going to break down the key differences between these two platforms so you can decide which one is the right fit for your needs. But stick around because after analyzing both, I'll be sharing a better alternative you might not know about. Let's start with ClickFunnels. It's known for its all-in-one sales funnel builder. While that might sound great, it can be a bit overkill if you just need a simple landing page. The platform is designed for users who want to create complete sales funnels, meaning it's loaded with features like email marketing, automation, and membership areas. So, if you're looking for something that offers more than just landing pages, ClickFunnels could be a good fit. But here's the catch, the pricing starts at around $127 per month, and for that price, you might not be getting the most focused tool for landing page creation. Next thing, the design options. ClickFunnels gives you a lot of templates, but customization isn't exactly its strength. The drag and drop editor can feel clunky, and making intricate design changes might be more challenging than you'd like. You get some flexibility, but it's not as intuitive as you might expect from a premium tool. Now, let's talk about Unbounce. Unlike ClickFunnels, Unbounce focuses specifically on landing pages, and that's it. The platform excels in creating high-converting landing pages with features like dynamic text replacement, A/B testing, and a variety of integrations with other tools. Unbounce drag and drop builder is more refined, giving you more control over design without a steep learning curve. But here's the thing, it's not exactly cheap. The standard plan starts at $99 a month, which is pretty comparable to ClickFunnels. While you're paying less for a tool that does just landing pages, it still might feel like an investment if you're a small business owner or just starting out. The next thing to consider is support. Both platforms offer decent support, but ClickFunnels has a reputation for its active community. They have tons of tutorials, courses, and a dedicated Facebook group, so if you're struggling, there's a lot of resources to tap into. Unbounce, on the other hand, has great support, but it's a bit more limited in terms of community-driven resources. Their customer service team is solid, but the absence of a huge community can make troubleshooting a bit slower. The fourth thing, performance and speed. Unbounce has the edge here. Their landing pages are known for loading faster, which is crucial for conversion rates. The last thing you want is for a potential lead to bounce off because your page took too long to load. ClickFunnels is still solid, but it doesn't quite match Unbounce in terms of performance, especially if you're looking to maximize conversion rates. Now, let's talk about pricing again. ClickFunnels has the advantage if you're looking for an all-in-one solution with funnels, email marketing, and even affiliate management. But if you just need a landing page builder without the extra fluff, Unbounce gives you that targeted functionality for a similar price, or even less if you opt for some of their entry-level plans. And here's where it gets interesting. After trying both of these platforms myself, I'm going to recommend a better alternative for creating high-converting landing pages. While ClickFunnels and Unbounce are both solid tools, if your goal is to create sleek, fast, and responsive landing pages with minimal hassle, then you should check out the first link in the description for a free trial. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, yes, both ClickFunnels and Unbounce have their merits, but if you want something that outperforms both in terms of speed, design, and overall ease of use, make sure you check out the link below. Don't settle for just good, go for the best.